Hello friends, today we are going to see PS2 theory lecture. We already see the PS2 practical session. Now we are going to see PS2 theory session. As you know, there is a 6 pins in a PS2 port. There is 4 pins are in above and 2 pins are below. Means if you see from the back side of the motherboard PS2, these 6 pins are located, but the sequence is not sequentially. This pin, leftmost pin, is pin number 4, the next pin is pin number 2, pin number 1, 3, 5, and this pin number 6. Every pin has different functions. Pin number 1 is a data pin. Pin number 2 is not connected, which is not connected to any circuit. Pin number 3, that is a ground. Pin number 4 is supply pin. Means this is a very main pin, which is supply pin. Pin number 5 is clock, where the SM clock signal comes from IO. And pin number 6, which is also not connected. As we know, there is a tiny capacitor near around the PS2 port. Sometimes this capacitor may damage, so our PS2 does not work. So there is a capacitor, or sometimes there is coil and goes to IO for SM clock signal. There is also many capacitor and many coil, and there is a very tiny resistor that is called pull-up resistor. This may such like that. This is called pull-up resistor, and this pull-up resistor is connected to the 5 volt from SMPS. The 5 volt comes from this SMPS to this resistor, then go to this coil and then capacitor, then PS to port. Sometimes this pull-up resistor is not present, it directly connected to the capacitor and direct to PS2 circuit. If this capacitor or coil pull-up resistor damage, our PS2 does not work properly. So we have to check this component one by one if our PS2 does not work. So I hope you guys understand, and this is very small circuit but important if your PS2 port does not work. So please like, share and comment in the comment box if you like the video. Also share with friends, and please press bell icon for upcoming next video notification. Thank you very much.